Okay, why join BRDS? This is the most interesting part. Should anybody in this class should be joining BRDS? First is the highest result. You can pick any college you want in India when it comes to design, whether it is NID, NIFT, CEPT, or architecture or IIT. The highest number of students qualified and taken admission into these colleges are from Bhavarat Design Studio BRDS. They have published year-wise results for all the students ever since they've been coaching. It is all there on the website and it is a 100% success ratio. If you are coaching with BRDS, there is no chance that you will not qualify into any of the design schools in India. Second, if anybody proves that BRDS, the results that BRDS has, and if any other coaching institute has better results than BRDS, you can claim a prize money of 1 crore rupees from any of our centers. This is legit. Then, third, as I said before, if you are here for the design entrance exams and are coaching with BRDS, if your target is NID, NIFT, IIT, or CEPT, or any other design schools, BRDS will make sure that you are securing admission in one of the top 5 design colleges of India, and it's a 100% admission guaranteed scenario. So, a lot of information on Rathore Design. Apart from your NIFT, if you're looking to prepare or are writing other exams also, you can still reach us out. About my director, Mr. Bhavar Rathod, we saw his success story in the beginning of this presentation. He's the only one in this entire design and architecture education industry who is actually from a design background. He himself is from NIFT. He's a graduate from NIFT, is where you all guys want to go. He's also finished his master's and doctorate, that is PhD into fashion design. He brings a lot of experience when it comes to teaching students and what all has to be taught. As we also showed this earlier, he's been awarded Man of the Year because of his hard work. BRDS has also been awarded so many awards, which actually no other coaching institute has in the country. So if you are preparing with us, this is already a proof of this institute as the best institute in the country. This is Gujarat Education Minister, Mr. Chudashma, who is also awarding this book of universities. It has 75 universities of the country, and along with NID, NIFT, and CEPT, only BRDS's name is given in this book. So, very moment of pride for all of us. Now, of course, you will see what I mean by faculties when Stanley will start talking or start showing what he has to show you. But BRDS has the most experienced faculty when it comes to giving coaching to any students. They are all designers, they are all architects, they are all from NID, NIFT, IIT, and CET. And this is the highest. We're very proud of all the faculties that we have. Because of them, all these results are also possible. They're really hardworking, and like how you go into a school and you will have different teachers for science and arts and maths, similarly when a student is training with us, and they will have a different teacher for design. If they want to get into architecture, a different teacher. If they want to build a portfolio, they will have a different teacher. So it's a very highly paid faculty staff and amazingly qualified teachers. These are the same person who, along with the guidance with Bhavar sir and other teachers, have made the study materials. You will see the synopsis of this when you will get the workbook, how exhaustive the workbook is for any student to prepare for the situation test. They have analyzed about this entrance exam since last 15 years, what have they been asking, and then prepared the study material. So if a student is not taking the class and just coaching by the material, will also has a 100% chance that they will qualify. But of course, please do the coaching. Online access, as I said, the pen drive will have over 150 video clips, which we will also share to the students who are going to go into the classroom program or the live coaching with us. So it's a 24/7 access, and you can access it till the exams are going on. This is also one of the key factors of BRDS. No other coaching institute is providing any such materials. Flexible batches and backup. As I said, as I showed you before, the class timings that we have will suit each and every student. You can come at your convenience and be doing the classes. Once in a while, if you're sick or if you could not attend due to exam or XYZ reason, We will be giving you a complete backup of these classes. There is no way that you will be said that, oh, learn it on your own and you can come back and ask questions. We will be providing 100% assistance to all the students throughout. Extra practice and portfolio is also something. If students want to, if you are going for an offline class and besides your class hours you want to sit and work extra, you can do so. If you are preparing for other school portfolios also, you can be sitting at the studio and doing all of that. 10 to 8 anytime, please hop on. Small batch sizes, what they mean by that is because they want to pay attention to each and every student. This will be followed in both online and offline batches also. Online might have 20 to 25 students, but offline due to COVID also they will have not more than 20 students per batch. Now, of course, the results are highest at BRDS when it comes to selection, number of selections in the colleges. But the higher ranker students also, like All India rank number 1, 2, 3 at NIFT in 2020 are BRDS students at NID, at IIT and at CEPT also. So you can pick any college, random college, and you will see the highest number of students selected in these colleges and highest number of rankers at these colleges are both BRDS students. We are publishing year-wise results every year. You can literally go and see how many students qualified in 2010, how many in 2015, how many 2020 also. Now just a little bit, because this is my favorite graph of NIFTs. You can see in 2019 we had 590 students selected to NIFT. In 2020 we had 1252. This is almost double. And this year 2021, my wish is that we get a graph which will go up to 1500. That means we want to make sure that 1500 students, if they are coaching with BRDS, they will be taking admissions into NIFT, and you can become a part of all of that. NID also, 2020, 168 students got selected at NID. IIT, we had 52 selections. All India rank number 1, 2, 3 at IIT are also BRDS students. We are the only ones who will publish the result in the newspaper. I'm sure I'm talking to a lot of rankers in this particular class also. And so if you are a ranker already, you will be ready, because we will also encourage or motivate you by, you know, putting your results in the newspaper like that. Um, Year-wise and detailed results are all given on the website for all of these children, and for you to see, you will find them with proper photographs from what city they belong, which college they have been selected into, which year, and what was their rank. All of those things are given on the website for anybody to cross-check at any time. Along with that, I want to say that whoever has prepared with the RDS, we had a 100% success ratio for NIFT situation test. So all of you who are listening to us today and will be seeing Stanley in the coming round will see that what we mean by that. If you are preparing with the RDS, we assure you that 100% selection at NIFT will happen. We have 51 centers across the country. I'm sure you will find somewhere something very near to you. If you are in Bombay or Pune or Gujarat, sadly because of COVID, they've put a lockdown and we are all doing online classes. But if you are somewhere in Delhi or Chandigarh or Ranchi or Calcutta or Bangalore, we are doing offline classes in all of these regions. We had a lot of people joining us from Kerala, Kochi. We had a lot of students joining from Hyderabad and Chennai. They are all doing their classes from the Ahmedabad head office itself. So you can definitely reach out to 9825057598 as our number, and we will connect you to your nearest BRDS center. Or best, if you want to do online coaching, I will speak to you about NIFT situation test. For more information, we've put all this information on our website also, rathordesign.com. And we are all very young in this office. We believe in Instagram and YouTube also. Have a lot of videos on YouTube about just general how to make portfolios and how to do other design stuff. Instagram also has a very nice footfall of students, and it's a nice page. You can just go there, visit us, and hit us a like if you like anything. and follow us for more updates, because we will be announcing when is the situation test, how to go about it. We will be putting a lot of information about this design courses on those pages also.